HVAC is a weird product to talk about with customers to get people to really enjoy, to be honest. They a lot of times don't want to see it, don't want to hear it, don't want to feel it. They just want to feel comfortable and not really know why. Smart HVAC design, it really depends on what you're looking for. You know, do you want control? Are you mandated by energy? Are you looking for energy savings and energy payoff? Are you focusing on replacement because of a repair? I mean, it's really where your motives are. It starts with the system first and the actual box second. Nothing's gonna work like the manufacturer's promise. Nothing's gonna make you comfortable like you're looking for if you don't address the entire system. Commercially, you're gonna have two types of customers. You're gonna have customers that are big box retail stores, shopping places, where the focus is gonna be comfort. It's gonna be maintaining a certain comfort level so that people are in your store shopping and that your employees are happy and comfortable. Tenant retention is the most important thing to any commercial office space or any commercial office buildings. Keeping people comfortable in their offices is very important for customer retention. Anytime you've got multiple complaints, systems that start getting old or aren't maintained well by building owners, then you start to receive tenant complaints. And sometimes as an HVAC service provider, you'll be a bit in the middle. The third level of commercial HVAC is going to be commercial industrial. If you ship something, manufacture something, ship something off your dock, well then your comfort in your office is almost secondary. The thing most important in your mind is going to be getting stuff shipped off your dock. So in that case, we do what's called process HVAC. So you might have something that's chilling water to make a laser machine run, or something that's chilling water to make plastic molds, or something that's, you know, just more high level and more process oriented for HVAC. So those are our best commercial customers. We run to those problems quickly and we can keep people making their money. There's gonna be a whole lot of investigation to see what they're looking for first. Are we directly trying to vent something? Are we getting a haze across the top of a building that you want to remove? There's so many different levels to deal with. First and foremost, we're gonna engineer it. So we're gonna research code, figure out what you're looking to do, whether it's heat a space, vent a space, cool a space, or vent a particular piece of equipment. There's so many different engineering factors that go into getting the right solution. The worst thing you can do is make a large investment, especially with a process application like venting, exhausting, heating and cooling warehouse spaces, where you can really spend a lot of money and never actually solve your problem. I've seen commercial customers that have pretty much set it and forget it, and they've got 15, 18 years out of the life of their system. I would say the majority of people, that's not gonna happen. Most people, that's just not gonna be the case, especially with commercial equipment. You're gonna run it all the time during occupancy hours, code mandates that you're running it all the time. So you can't think commercial and residential at all equals. Generally, the most expensive portion, especially commercially, of a building is its operating costs, capital budgeting, and energy is related to the HVAC. So the average HVAC duct run is leaking between 20 and 40%. So if you think about, you could be wasting, you know, the money you're paying to move and paying to heat and paying to cool. If 20 to 40% of that isn't going to the space, well, where's it going? The investment you're making is actually reaching the space you want it to. I think our training program is probably one of the best I've ever seen. 2 offices, our training is completely optional. And we have packed classes every single Tuesday morning at 6:30, every single Wednesday morning at 6:30. They go till 8. They do everything we can think of. It's a really high level training class. We're just gonna come in and try to design it, spend the time to engineer it right. We have on-staff engineers for a reason, and they're incredibly valuable to us. I'm gonna listen to what you're looking for. I'm gonna come up with my idea with my engineer, and we're gonna know it's gonna work.